Hi everyone, it's Linda, your Norwex lady, and I'm here at our travel trailer and trying to do some cleaning. And what am I going to be cleaning with? You know it, the Enviro cloth. Got it right here. So I heated up some hot water because our water's not turned on yet. So I heated some water on the stove, put some cold water, got my Enviro cloth good and wet, and I'm going to be wiping down all the surfaces of our travel trailer. Now, the Enviro cloth is the everything cloth. It is super dense. If you were to unravel it, it would go from Canada to the Gulf of Mexico. So all of that is woven into this cloth in a star pattern, and I have 8 surfaces to use at one time before rinsing it out. So I'm going to fold it in half that way and then fold it in half that way. So you always want to use a flat surface so you have more surface area to pick up your germs. This is going to pick up 99% of the germs on all surfaces. So no need for soap, no need for bleach, no need for antibacterial wipes. It's just the Enviro cloth. So get one today and get cleaning.